I'm Simon Johns, and today I'm going to walk you through frontside nose grinds on skatepark handrails. The first step is going to be finding a rail that you're already comfortable with. Start warming up with a few frontside 50-50s. Try and pay attention to where you're getting onto the rail and which part of the trucks you are locking into. It should be firmly against the heel edge shoulder of the trucks. Once you feel like you're able to lock into the same position every time, you are more than likely warmed up enough to try the frontside nose grind. You're going to want to approach the obstacle at a slight angle and visualize scooping your front foot up and over the rail slightly before your back foot. This is going to put you in the right mindset to not catch your front foot plate on the rail. Once both feet have cleared the rail, push all your weight down through your front leg and into the outer edge of your binding. Remember to aim for that heel side shoulder of your front truck, lean slightly forwards enough to keep your body weight centered over your front leg, and keep your arms out for balance. Try not to lean too far forwards and stand upright. It can be a little scary, but you've got this. Don't forget to tag us once you've got your frontside nose grinds dialed, and check the link in bio for more content.